Avvo is an amazing directory for lawyers. Let me explain. There are roughly, according to Avvo, there are roughly 8 million visitors to their directory every single month. That's a lot of prospective clients in every metro area looking for all types of lawyers. It goes without saying that you absolutely, if you're looking to grow your law firm, if you're looking to get more clients, more cases, you absolutely must advertise on Avvo. Why must you advertise? Because if you advertise, you show up in front of them whenever they're looking. If you don't advertise and your last name starts with B, chances are they will never find you. They will never see you there. And if they do not see you, you don't exist. And if you don't exist to those prospective clients, they are going to your competitors who are actually investing money into acquiring those clients by advertising, or those that actually have a last name starting with A, or however Avvo decides to rank those listings. You do not want to be at the mercy of a chance or the algorithm. What you want to do is you want to advertise so you're on top. But simply advertising is not enough. Think about it this way. When you think about making money, getting new cases from Avvo, you have to look at things as a prospective client would. A prospective client never looks at just one attorney's profile. They will probably go and look at 3, 5, 7, 10, then create a short list of maybe 3 lawyers that they actually want to call. So first, you have to be in front of them when they're looking. Second, you need to make sure that when they're visiting your listing in the directory, you have one of the best profiles out there. You have one of the best ratings out there. How do you maximize your Avvo rating so that you maximize conversion, meaning so that many people who actually visit your profile on Avvo end up going to your website, end up picking up the phone and calling your law firm to discuss their case with you? How do you do that? You have one of the best profiles. How do you maximize rating and maximize quality of presentation in your profile? Number one, and it's super simple, and I see so many attorneys neglect this, have the most complete profile. Avvo and many other directories will show you percentage of completion. You want to have it as close to 100% completed. You want to have plenty of images. You want to have plenty of information. You want to give them reasons to call you. What are the reasons? Well, number one, aside from having complete profile, is having plenty of reviews. Without reviews, your Avvo profile is not going to work. How do you get more reviews? Call up on your past clients and beg them until they comply to leave a review for you on Avvo. Why beg them? Because so many people are so reluctant to take 2 minutes to express their gratitude for the good work that you have done and leave that review, which is horrendous, but it's just human nature. People are so happy to leave negative reviews and are so reluctant to leave positive reviews. If you feel that it's beneath you, then it's the same thing as making money is beneath you. You gotta make sure, get over your ego, call them, email them, ask them until they leave you a review. Have your assistant call them and ask them, but it's better that you do. You call them, you ask them to leave reviews. Remember, those who have more reviews than the competition may rank higher and may get preferential treatment from prospective clients. So you gotta have as many reviews as possible. Now, do not despair if you recently started and you only have like 7 former clients. Call on all of them and ask them to leave reviews. Rome wasn't built in one day, neither will be your profile. Just steadily make sure that every successful client that you've had, ask them, beg them, make sure that they leave a review. Super important. In addition to that, ask for peer endorsements. Peer endorsements are important. Avvo uses it as part of their rating algorithm. The more and the higher the quality of those peer reviews that you have, the better. Next, if you have won any awards, make sure to list those awards and provide links to the websites where they talk about you winning this award. If you have given any public speeches on the matter of law, make sure that you mention that in your profile and link up to those pages that talk about the speeches that you gave. Possibly YouTube links, possibly third-party websites that talked about your presentations. Next thing, and this is the final one, and this takes a little more labor from you, but you gotta do it, is review the questions that people are posting for lawyers in your practice areas. Why do you want to review those questions? There are a couple of reasons. Number one, you can pick up some business by providing well thought out answers to the questions that people post there. Second of all, you get to collect information for your content strategy for your website. Here's what I mean by this. One of the best content strategies for a website to attract more people to the website, more prospective clients to the website, is to post information that's in demand, information that people look for. So by getting a list of questions that people post on Avvo for your practice area, you can assemble a content strategy for your website and then provide very thorough answers on your website, which will help your website to rank higher for numerous keywords. Of course, there's much else to be known for search engine optimization so your website ranks higher, but this is one nugget that most people never think about. And I am telling you, I'm giving you this really cool insight. Go to Avvo, collect the questions that people ask in your practice area, and share it with your high-performance marketing company and say, here's what we should be writing about because this is the information that people look for. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you here in the next lesson.